Hi everyone, I'm Herbie M. Cabrera, and our topic is what lack of sleep is doing to your neurons. Not getting enough sleep is causing brain damage. Our brain is slowly getting damaged due to lack of sleep. Sleeping at the right time is important. A person needs to sleep for 8 hours to refresh his or her mind or brain. If a person sleeps for only 5 hours or less, it's not even enough to refresh his brain. If the lack of sleep continues, its brain will gradually be destroyed and cause brain disease. Brain injury can have a wide range of physical symptoms of which include headaches, fatigue, sleep disorders, dizziness, and hearing loss. According to my study, the brain sends and receives chemical and electrical signals throughout the body. The brain controls and our entire body, so it's important to take care of our brain because the effect of lack of sleep are severe. The most common reason why a person stays awake at night are the use of devices which are done every day, such as mobile phones, watching televisions, computer, and many others, using different devices. It is important to sleep for 8 hours because more healthier brain, more the capacity of memory increase in things, especially in our study. When your memory circulates poorly, means that your brain and your mind are lacking care. Because of that, you can experience a drop in your blood pressures, or you can will be gradually feel the various causes of the pain caused by lack of sleep. Lack of sleep is more dangerous than you've ever thought. According to new research, the brain starts eating its own connections, worn out cells, and debris when it doesn't get enough sleep. This is scary as can get. If you don't sleep enough, you are exposing yourself to unthinkable consciousness. Research indicates that insufficient sleep alters or the functioning of specific brain regions. Lack of sleep can affect your ability to make decisions, solve issues, regulate your emotion and behavior. And next one is from the packet, the listening stage. First of all, what is listening? Listening is the part of receptive skill that realizes the main purpose of speaking. Used to gather information and build a knowledge. We have 5 stages of listening. First is receiving. Receiving is a king of process where the sounds waves enter the hearing mechanism. Example, when we walk to our friends, the sound come out of their mouth, enter in our ears and their process. Second is attending. It's a process of filtering other sounds and paying attention to a specific sound. Example, this involves paying attention to the person you are talking to, and the process you will filter out surrounds, noise, and focus only them. Third is understanding. Refers to the process of making to ensure accurate understanding, listening, and also a question of clarification. Fourth is remembering. Remembering is the storing memory for the information gathered from listening and retrieving it when needed. Example, this is the method of memorizing the information you gather from conversation partner while you are talking. And the last is responding. Responding is the reaction to the message you listen to. It also indicates the effectiveness of listening. It can be an action to execute a command or answer to a question. Example, this is the feedback in conversation, how you will take action and prove that you listened and understood. Thank you very much everyone for your attention.